How to create mind maps on Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you have to go to extensions, go to add-ons, tap on get add-ons, then in search bar, search for mind map. You will find several mind maps making sites here. Simply select any of these, install, choose your account, continue, allow your permissions, go to done, and now go to extensions again, then select this GPT mind maps maker, tap on create mind map, and it will load over here, and now you can easily make a mind map from here. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.